Hello and welcome. This battery needs recharging and I want to find out how long it takes to recharge. Because somebody mentioned a replacement battery being very quick to recharge, so I'm curious how long this original Canon LP-E12 will take. So see you in, let's see how long. There was a little jump just now because I didn't realize it would take so long. I ran out of storage space and then I kind of forgot to turn the camera on again. But luckily it's still charging 1 hour and 29 minutes later. And here we go, 1 hour and 30 minutes apparently it takes to charge this battery using the original charger. I'm just gonna take it out and put it right in there again. I call this double checking. I don't know if this might be a problem or a stupid idea. I sometimes do this just to be sure, just to be on the safe side. And this one takes 1 minute to, actually less than 1 minute to get back to green. So I guess 1 hour and 30 minutes is pretty much the time it needs. Much longer than a off-brand replacement battery, but also has a bigger charge and actually outperforms the declared performance. It actually lasts longer than the website of Canon states how long it would record. You can check out my tests in which I actually test how long can I record with which battery, if you're interested in more. I hope this was useful to you as well, because this was very interesting to me. Now I can compare this to replacement batteries by other brands which charge much faster, but maybe less well, I'm not sure. Anyways, hope to see you next time in another video. Until then, ciao!